How does a police report determine fault in an accident? Have you ever wondered how a police report can influence who is considered at fault in a car accident? Understanding this can be really helpful if you ever find yourself in that situation. When an accident occurs, contacting the police is one of the first steps you should take. They will create an official report that serves as a key document for both legal and insurance purposes. A police report is a written account made by a law enforcement officer who arrives at the scene. It includes essential details like the date, time, and location of the accident. The report also lists the names and contact information of everyone involved, along with statements from any witnesses. The officer might note things like road conditions, weather, traffic signals, and the visible damage to the vehicles. While this report contains a lot of information, it does not solely determine who is at fault. The officer's opinion on fault is included, but it is not legally binding. Instead, insurance companies and courts will use the police report as one piece of evidence among many when deciding liability. From an insurance perspective, the police report is often the starting point for a claim. Insurance adjusters will review it to understand the accident better and help determine who is responsible. They will look for details like whether any traffic laws were broken or if any citations were issued. This information is crucial for the insurance company to decide how to handle the claim. However, the police report is just one part of the puzzle. Insurance companies will also consider other evidence, such as photographs of the accident scene, witness statements, and any available video footage. All these elements combined help create a clearer picture of what happened. It is important to remember that while the police report carries weight, it is not the only factor in determining fault. Insurance companies may conduct their own investigations and could reach a different conclusion than what is stated in the report. If there is a disagreement about fault, the involved insurance companies may negotiate, or the matter might be taken to court. For drivers, knowing how the police report works can be beneficial when filing an insurance claim. It is wise to review the report carefully to ensure all the information is accurate. If you spot any errors, you can request corrections from the police department. In summary, a police report is a vital document for insurance claims and legal matters after a car accident. It provides a detailed account of the incident and the officer's observations, but it is not the only determinant of fault. Insurance companies use the report as a starting point and combine it with other evidence to make their final decision about liability. This process helps ensure that claims are handled fairly and accurately.